to Wednesday. I have friends on. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna start off with a Revive Superfood smoothie. This portion of the video is actually a collaboration with them, which I thought was so amazing because if you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I just love smoothies. I feel so clean and light when I make a green smoothie. They did send these over so that I can try them, and so far I've really enjoyed them. What I like is that there isn't added unnecessary sugar. Some of them aren't necessarily sweet, and I'm perfectly fine with that because I don't really like sweet smoothies anyways. I would rather have less sugar and more nutrients. So this one's considered liquid gold. I like that it has the ingredients on the back. So it says how to blend, and then it has the goods. So it has carrots, turmeric, ginger, mango, pineapple, papaya, coconut, and chia. So there's not any unnecessary ingredients in these smoothies, and it just gives you the instructions on how to make them. So you can either mix this with water or any kind of milk of your choice, and you put it into a blender, and you can pour it back into here if you want. For today, I think I'm gonna do the matcha maker. I have tried 2 or 3 of these prior to filming this video because I wanted to test them out before I gave my honest review, and so far I really enjoy them. So if you guys want to try these out, I do have a coupon code. It's going to be Steph60 and you can get 60% off. They do have a subscription that you can sign up for. I'll link the website in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. I always leave all of my information in the description box, so make sure you check there. This is the matcha maker. Apple, banana, kale, pineapple, zucchini, parsley, hemp protein, matcha, and baobab. Boop. I usually just use water with these. I'm not really a big milk fan. They also sent over a straw. Came with a brush. I'm going to grab my magic bullet. Peel that back, and you can see that they're just normal ingredients. Pour it into your blender. Ding, ding, ding on the trolley. If you have a regular blender, that's what I would recommend, because this is a little bit too small for an entire smoothie, but this is all I have, so I'm just gonna use this. Then you can just put that on here. This is good for if you're on the go. You can just use the top and the straw. It's so good. I think it's such a good way to start off the day because you get a lot of good green nutrients, and I think that it just helps my body so much. I feel so good inside, and I just feel lighter and healthier. And that's always why I've drank green smoothies. They have a lot of different flavors. I will leave all of the information in the description box down below if you guys want to try out Revive Superfoods. Totally recommend it. I wouldn't recommend anything that I don't stand by. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love smoothies, especially green smoothies. I've actually brought these to work before because I don't like to eat anything heavy while I'm at work. Along with breakfast, I like to take my vitamins. Vitamins that I'm taking right now are the Perfect Women's Multivitamin, and then Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. These taste like banana, and you're supposed to take 2 of these. Women's Multivitamin, I'm also supposed to take 2. I also love to have lemon water in the morning. That also just makes me feel really good inside. Chopped them up and put it in a glass container. And you know that I have coffee right now. So Dunkin' came out with their red velvet flavor. 3 drinks that I have every morning are always water, coffee, and then some kind of smoothie or protein shake. And that's exactly what I have right now. Just finished up some work on my laptop. This is all empty. It's time for lunch. What time is it? It's 3:21. I went to Trader Joe's and got some gnocchi. which I love gnocchi. It's so good. I picked up sweet potato gnocchi, which I've had before, which was really good. And then this gorgonzola gnocchi, which I haven't tried. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet on medium heat and then add gnocchi. I'm also going to add some broccoli in there. I'm just going to add some cracked pepper. This looks so good. You guys, that was so fast too. That is lunch. That was delish. I would totally recommend this over the sweet potato one. If you like cheese, oh man. It's about 8 o'clock. I've just been working on editing my Q&A. It's time for dinner. I made a salad since I had pasta for lunch, and I just have these mixed greens. I put yellow peppers in here with carrots, feta cheese, and these wonton strips because I love something crunchy in my salad. And then I picked up this dressing from Trader Joe's, which is so good. This is just the champagne pear vinaigrette, and that is going to be dinner. I'm just gonna do a quick haul on what I picked up at Trader Joe's. I don't have a Trader Joe's that's necessarily near me. When I go there, I like to stock up on things that I might want to try or things that I've tried in the past. This is just roasted corn. I haven't tried this yet, but I figured it would be really good in wraps or soup. This is asparagus risotto. I don't think I've ever tried any kind of risotto. I picked up the cold brew coffee concentrate. I need to figure out a better way to make this because I made some before I went into work and it was super bitter, but I think I just put too much. This, I think, is a lot stronger than the chameleon coffee that I drink. I have to add a little bit more water into this one. The flavor is there. It's just super bitter if you don't put enough water in there. Organic buffalo style hummus. This is actually pretty good. I wish it was a little bit more buffalo. Hot pico de gallo. I love pico de gallo, and this one looked really good with all those jalapenos. Green salsa. Champagne pear vinaigrette. I put that in my salad. I tried this before. This is the sweet chili sauce, which I thought was pretty darn good. The Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, which I haven't tried yet, but it looks so yummy. I'm obsessed with sauces. Macaroons, which were pretty good. Thai tea mini mochi, which I think that the ones from Aldi's are a lot better. I just don't like that it tastes like tea, which I should have known since it's Thai tea. I'm just not a big tea fan. 3 bags of gnocchi. This is the gnocchi alla sorrentina. So it has tomato sauce and mozzarella. Looks so good. Gorgonzola sweet potato gnocchi, which I've tried before, which is pretty good. Arugula pizza, because it looked delish. I got 2 boxes of veggie burgers. So this is the California veggie burger, which has carrots, peas, broccoli, spinach. And this one is a quinoa cowboy veggie burger, which has black beans and roasted corn. Picked up some crumpets. They're so good with jam. Put these in the toaster, or you can heat it up in a microwave. These, oh my gosh, these are one of my favorite wraps. So this is the habanero lime flour tortillas. These are amazing. So good. Picked up 2 of these coconut strips because I love coconut, and I like to put these with any kind of nuts or berries for when I go to work so that it's a light snack. The bite-sized everything crackers. This is with garlic, onion, sesame seed, poppy, and caraway seeds. These are pretty decent. They're not full of flavor, but that's why I like to dip them in things or put them with cheese. And then I also got this Toscano cheese black pepper. This looked so yummy. Can't wait to try this with those crackers. Got some cookie butter cookies, which are pretty good. Crunchy cookie butter. It is delicious. If you haven't tried this, totally recommend. It's so good. I put it on apples. And then I also got the butter toffee pretzels, which are so delicious. That is everything that I picked up at Trader Joe's. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.